Question 6. Now question 6 says, what is the value of 5.517 times 14.5 corrected to 2 decimal places? So all we need to do is 5.517 times 14.5. Now remember, out 1, 2, 3. We have 3 decimal places here. Here we have 1. So we have 1 decimal place. So note, we have 4 decimal places. So we are going to do our long multiplication. So this is this. 1, 4, 5. So let's start multiplying. 5 times 7 is going to give us 35. 5 will carry our 3. 5 times 1, it's 5 plus 3, that's 8. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 will carry 2. 5 times 25 is 25 plus 2, 27. So 4 times 7 is 28. We write our 8 and we carry 2. 4 times 1, it's 4 plus 2. We're going to get 6. 4 times 5 is 20, 0, and we carry 2. 4 times 5, 20, plus 2, that's 22. Then 1 multiplied by 5,517, we'll have 7,155. So at this point, let's sum up our numbers. Then remember, we shouldn't forget our 4 decimal place. This is 5. 8 plus 8 is 6. We carry 1. That's 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. Right? 9. We carry 1. And this will be 8 plus 1. That's 9. So we have 2 plus 2. That's 4 plus 5. This is 9. And 2 plus 5, it's going to give us 7. So bring back our 4 decimal place. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So our final answer is 79.9965. Okay, that's 79.9965. Okay, now the question says to 2 decimal place. So how do we change 79.9965 to 2 decimal place? We're going to approximate this 6 so that it will now add up 1. And when you add it, it will now turn here to 10. Changing here to 0, add 1 here, it changes here to 10 and makes here 78. So this is going to be 80.00 to 2 decimal place. So our final answer is going to be D. Okay? I hope you understood that. Please, if you have any question, drop it on the comment section and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Question 7 says, a lorry carrying a load of 30 bags of sugar, each 90 kg, and 40 bags of rice, each 25 kg. If the load is half the mass of the lorry when empty, what is the total mass of the lorry in tons? Okay, so remember the question says it was carrying 30 bags of 90 kg. So let's say this was carrying a total of 30 times 90 will give us 3 times 9 is 27. So it was carrying a total of 2,700 kg. Okay, while it was carrying 40 bags of rice of each 25 kg. Okay, so this is going to be 40 times 25. That's a total of 1,000 kg. Now, if you sum up the total kg, it's going to give you 3,700 kg. Okay, now it says if the load is half the mass of the lorry. So this load is actually half the mass of the lorry when empty. Okay, so that means the total mass of the lorry will be 2 times the dates, because this is actually half. So this will be 2 times 3,700, which will give us 2 times 37 is going to give us that 7 plus 7 is 4, carry 1, that's 74. So 7400 kg is the total mass of the lorry. So it says, what is the total mass of the lorry in tons? Now we have to convert this to tons. Remember, 1000 kg is equal to what? 1 ton. Okay, so 7,400 kg will be 7,400 divided by 1,000. So 0 will cancel 0. Move your decimal place 2 places. This will be 7.40 tons. And your final answer can be the same thing as 7.4 because the 0 is insignificant. So our final answer, it's C. So I'll circle my C. Okay. Question 8 says, A soccer ball is dropped from a height of 240 cm. For every bounce, the height decreases by 60%. How high would the ball rise on the second bounce? Okay, now to solve this question, remember the ball, this is the ground, the ball was dropped from a height of 240 cm. Okay, so remember when it was dropped, it will bounce up the first time, first bounce, and maybe it will come down again, it will bounce up for second time. Okay, now it says for every bounce, the height decreases by 60%. Okay, so let's get the first bounce is going to be 60 over 100 times 240. So for first bounce, so this will be 0, 0, 0 will cancel 0. So we have 6 times 24, that's 24 times 6. 6 times 4 will give us 4, carry 2. 6 times 2 will be 12 plus 2, that's 14. Okay, so this will give us 144 cm. Now, this is for the first bounce. Now, remember it says for every bounce, the height decreases by... So this is the first bounce decrease. So let's get the initial, the height. The initial height will now be, it will now be 240 minus 144 cm. Okay, so this will be, when you do your 240 minus 144, you're going to get, that's 10 minus 4 will give us, 10 minus 4 will give us 6. So this place will be 3. Carry 1 from 2. You have 13 minus 4. That will give us 13 minus 4 will give us 9. So this will be 96 cm. So now this will be 96 cm will now be the height it is going to attain at the first bounce. Now remember, it will now come down again. So and it's still going to decrease by 60% again. So second bounce decrease. So this is for the first time. So let's get the decrease it's going to have. So it's going to be 60 over 100 again times. Now, this is the initial height it's going to go. So this will be 96. So we have our 0 cancel 0. We have 6 times 96. Okay, that's 2 here will be 3. 2 here will be 5. So we have 3 times 96 divided by 5. Okay, so 96 times 3 will give us 3 times 96 will be 8 carry 1. 3 times 9 is 27 plus 1, that's 28. All divided by 5. 5 into 28, it's going to give us, that will be 5, remainder 3. 5 into 38 will give us 7, remainder 3. So you put your dot. So 5 into 30 will give us 6. Okay, so this is going to give us 57.6. So to get the height, we will still now subtract 96.0 minus 57.6. So this is going to be, okay, since this can't go, you borrow 1 from 6, make it 10 here. This is going to be 5. 10 minus 6 will give us 4 dots. So we have 5 cannot minus 7. You borrow 1 from here. This will be 8. Put it here. 15 minus 7 is going to be 8. So we'll have 8 minus 5. And that will give us 3. So our height, for the height for the second bounce, is now going to be 38.4 cm. So our correct answer here is A. Yes, it's a very technical question, but you just have to understand it. So if you've not hit the subscribe button, please do hit the subscribe button. So question 9 says, which of the following statement is true? So yes, please try and check out our previous videos on KCPE 2019 and also check out the first set of video for KCPE 2018. Now question 9 says, which of the following statement is true? And please, if you've not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can get updates from us. Now, which of the following statement is true? A rectangle is a square. No, that's a wrong statement. Remember, a square has all the sides equal. A trapezium is a parallelogram. No. A trapezium is not a parallelogram because they have different shapes. This is a trapezium and trapezium. Now, a parallelogram, it's this. This is how a parallelogram looks like. Yeah. Okay, so it says a parallelogram is a rectangle. No, a parallelogram, it's not a rectangle. Remember, for a rectangle, the four sides of the angle are 90 degrees. A rhombus is a parallelogram. Yes, this is correct. Remember, this is a parallelogram and this looks like a kite. And remember, kites are rhombus. So the correct answer is D. Okay, so that will take us to question 10. Now, question 10 says on triangle FGH below, construct a perpendicular line from point F to meet point GH at S. Bisect angle FSH and let the bisector meet the line FH at T. Now, may I let you know you're supposed to do this construction on the paper, but I'm going to give you a clue. But since we don't have a compass to measure the angle, we cannot solve this here. So this is what you will do. Now, with your compass, it says construct a perpendicular line from point F to meet GH at S. Okay, so all you do, place your compass here, place the tip of your compass, cut across this place, place at H, cut across this place, then draw a straight line from here. Your line must be very straight. So remember, it says it will meet GH at point F. So this is called point F. Now, so it says bisect angle FS. Okay, sorry, this is your S. It says bisect angle FSH. Bisect angle FSH. So all you do to bisect angle FSH, place your compass here, the tip of your compass here. Sorry. Place the tip of your compass here, then draw an arc. Then at this point, place it here, cut across, place it here, cut across. So this is, we're now bisecting the angle. So draw a straight line to meet this. Now it's meeting FH at, this is point T. So it says you have to measure angle FTS. So this is the angle you are asked to measure with your answer. Okay? So once you get these angles,